Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am having a baked taco melt made by moi. As always, I have some jalapeno peppers on there, pickled peppers. I have some ground beef, lettuce, tomatoes, sour cream. I have some flour tortillas, and I'm going to dig in. I have my black cherry bubbly. And I am about to say a prayer, and then I'm going to dig in. Amen and amen again. I got me a fork and a knife because who knows if I'm going to need it. This is going to be messy. A whole bunch of mess going on here. So let me open this first. Ugh. Okay. Whew. Try to cut this thing like a pizza. It's basically like a pizza. Y'all know I just wing things. And today is Taco Tuesday, so what a better day than to have it on this day. On a Tuesday. Taco Tuesday. Cuts right through it. Cuts right through it like a little pizza. See if I can pick it up like a pizza. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see. Okay. Y'all see it? Definitely okay. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be messy. Definitely gonna be messy. Here, y'all want the first bite? Look at it. Messy, messy, messy. Messy, messy, messy. It's so good. Oh, excuse me. Woo! It's gonna be one of those burping days, especially with that bubbly. You definitely get your burp on with that. Y'all see them cases rising back up. And they had nerve to use Johnson & Johnson, which they've locked that down now until they can figure out what's going on because it was causing blood clots. Now, I'm almost certain this is the same Johnson & Johnson. When back in the day was giving the women. Don't fault me if I'm wrong, but I'm almost certain I'm right, a little bit at least. They had was giving women ovarian cancer back then when they was using the powder. So I'm assuming, like, what's going on with their products? I also have some crunchy tacos in here, crunched all up in here, like some different layers. Sort of like a cheesy gordita crunch from Taco Bell. That's one of my favorites from there. I'm gonna show you what the inside looking like. So it's done now. Yeah, I don't think so. See how the inside look? That thing is stuffed. But maybe I can get a thumbnail off like this. Yeah, still can get one off. Put it up on closer. Okay. Take my next bite. Now y'all know this thing is stuffed. I'm not gonna be able to eat it all. I already know it, but it's so good. It's so good. I know I'm not gonna be able to eat it all. When you know and it's so good, oh. My eyes is bigger than my belly right now. Here we go. Take another bite. Fall over. I think stacked. Big bite. Y'all see that big incident where they killed that, I think he was 20 years old. The cop killed him. Now they're saying she resigned. She thought she was grabbing her taser. I mean, I guess if you're in a nervous situation, I don't know. Can you, like, not know the difference between a gun and a taser? I can say one thing, she was scared as hell. All that training you get, and they don't train you for situations like that. And these cops are not really liable. Like, they should be, like, they should come after their pensions, different stuff. If they did stuff like that, excuse me, especially when it's the same cops that's doing it over and over and over again, just because they got away with it so long, and they knew that they can do it and get away with it, and nothing's gonna happen to them. They're still gonna live in their homes, still be with their families, not lose their pension, retire, laughing about what they did back in the day and got away with it. But now they're trying to make an example for some of the officers. They should have been doing that since back then. I know we have knuckleheads that's out there, and they give the cops a hard time. They do. And a lot of them give them a hard time because they don't respect them. Because of certain situations that they've seen or they've been through, or their loved ones may have been through. Alright, I'm back. I had a call. But yeah, that's why they don't respect them. Like I was saying. No, we have some good ones out there. Police officers. There are some good ones. But there's a lot of corrupted ones. And the areas that's mainly doing this stuff is the ones that are the cops that do make money. Like certain areas, cops making pennies for the rest of their lives. Excuse me. But then it's those ones that's living life, making all the money, that goes out there and do the stupid mess. That's all we can do is pray that nothing like that ever happens to our family members. That's all we can do. Yo, look at that. I done bust that down. Bust it down. I don't know if I can bust it down no more. I don't think so. I think I'm done with it. It done bust me down, man. Woo. Can I take one more? It's gonna have to be a little piece. Just a little piece. I know I can't do nothing big. This is actually my first time making this. Ooh. And it's tasty. It's banging. It is banging. Give you another bite of that. Right quick. Told you it's messy. You know how you be happy to eat and you just be dancing? I used to do that all the time. I see some people, if you're hungry, and you don't eat, you can be the meanest person. Don't want to talk to nobody, don't want to deal with nobody at all. So you get something in your belly, just talkative. Just talk. My husband like that. If he hungry or he don't want to talk, what you got to talk about? He like mean face everything. Like I've seen a couple people like that. So they're basically called hangry because they're hungry and angry at the same damn time. Y'all, I think I came on here and ate enough with y'all. I had to get a video in. I got a busy day ahead of me. So, I'm going to actually end this video a little early. Usually have them a little longer, but today, like I told y'all, look at it, bust it down. I done bust it down. Look at that. Yeah, it's over for me. Y'all want it? Y'all can have the rest of this. I don't care. Y'all can have it. Take it. Take it. It's good. Just know it's good. All good. Anywho, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on those post notifications so you will know when I upload my next video. Until next time, see ya.